How do you make over $200,000 a month just from Instagram and your personal brand, even if you have a small following? In this video, we're gonna cover 4 of the 6 Instagram infinity stones you need to take into account to be able to close and scale an agency, coaching, or course business in 2021. What is up, guys? Welcome to Online CEOs, and today we're going to cover exactly how to scale a business to $200,000 a month or more just by utilizing Instagram and your personal brand, and it doesn't even matter if you have a small following. This training right here that we're gonna break down is gonna be in several parts. Today we're gonna go over 1 through 4 of the 6 Instagram Infinity Stones, and this is actually part of an exclusive mastermind that I did a full training on, and yeah, I just wanted to give it to you guys completely for free. Let's just jump into it right away.
The cool part about what I'm able to show you is that you can implement this whether you have a big following or you have a very small one. It doesn't matter. And because we're selling high ticket, the profit, or like, you need less volume to make more money, which is good. Today we're going to be talking about the 6 Instagram Infinity Stones to skyrocket your accounts while decimating your competition and monetizing your audience, right? That's kind of like the idea for today. So before we get started, Cole, you let me know the comments that pop up, but I want to know 2 things. First of all, how many of you use Instagram for business? Whether you're watching on the replay or live, just comment down below, yes or no. Yes, if you use Instagram for business. No, if you don't. And then second question is, how many followers do you currently have right now? 1,000, 500, 100,000, whatever. I want to make sure I know that because what's going to happen is, later in the presentation, I'm going to break down the numbers for you in a logical level. So you can kind of see what kind of revenue you can pull from Instagram. And obviously, like, as more as you grow, the percentage goes down, but it's still pretty cool. So that's the 2 questions. Use Instagram for business, and then how many followers do you currently have right now? Now, my big promise for you today is that by the end of it, you're going to be able to see that Instagram is not just for booty pictures and Lamborghinis. I don't have a booty, and I don't have a Lamborghini. So, right? And all of our clients don't have booties or Lamborghinis either. So, the same. You can definitely use Instagram to monetize it and build a very successful, high income and high impact business. So in case, we're gonna go through this presentation pretty quickly, but just in case you want the slideshow, you can go to my Instagram at Pena and just DM me the word Cole. For Cole Gordon, obviously, and I'll just send you over the presentation plus a few little extra bonuses for free. This is a full guide called Crushing on Instagram. It's over 31 pages, covers everything from hashtags, growth, all that stuff, which we're going to cover here today. But it gives you already the hashtags already pre-selected for different niches and stuff like that. So there's one, and then the second one, this new book that I actually wrote. It's for agency coaches and course creators, and hasn't even been released, by the way. It's over, I think, 52 pages long. So it's pretty extensive, but you can definitely check it out. I'll just give it to you for free. I was planning on selling this, but I'll just give it to you for free. And yeah, so yeah, that's, you're gonna get the presentation and the 2 books and whatnot for free, just for messaging me the word Cole. Again, my goal today is just to over-deliver here to you guys. Now, let's get the process going. And you can check out my testimonials and stuff like that at onlineCEOs.com/reviews. Now, who am I? I'm going to go really quickly because you don't care about me and you care about what I can give to you. So I'm from the Dominican Republic. I speak fast. I'm Latino. Sorry about that. Built a multi-7-figure business in less than a year. I actually started because I wanted to become a professional soccer player. And my train of thought was like, hey, let me build my Instagram. This was 2012, 2013. Let me build my Instagram to grow an audience. Then somebody hopefully will find me and I'll sign a deal, right? This was me back then. I used to play in very dirt and very poor fields. Then I got an engineering job, working 8 to 10 hour shifts in the blazing Caribbean sun. I hated my job. I was making $300 to $400 a month. I also have an MBA, which is a master's degree. And yeah, that sucked. And then in 2016, I get the chance to be a pro. And then I say no to that because I realized it was a lot of sacrifices and very little reward. So since then, multiple club awards and all that stuff. But what did it cost me? Like Thanos says, it cost me everything, right? I literally had my first job as an intern. That's me on the bottom left. I used to pick up dirt bags, like dirt, like literal dirt, in a farm in DR. And then I broke both my ankles. That was the office in Indiana, super tiny office that I used to work at and where I built the actual business. So I know what it is to come from the bottom, having nothing, immigrant, English not even being my first language, I mean nothing. So if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. So it cost me everything, like Tano said, right? Now, but in my opinion, it's just worth it. This was when I got my first Sukama Club award and my parents were there. And it was super awesome to see that because, and this is my motivation, by the way, because that moment my dad said, like, I actually believe what you do now. Like before they didn't, right? And he said, I'm sorry for not believing in you and stuff like that. So you have family or you're starting from scratch or something like that, just know that they're coming from a place of love, but it's because simply they don't understand, right? So this is my motivation. This picture means a lot. This picture means a lot to me. Now, these are some of our accounts that we own. We own today over 20 million followers, including the biggest art page on Instagram called Daily Arts. I co-own that page with over 9 million. So these are some of the influencers that we own and co-own. And then we get, clients results like this, $5,000 a month, $15,000 in 15 days, $1.2 million in the first quarter of last year alone. And so on and so forth. I'm not going to go into this. These are just some of our clients as well. And combined, we have produced over $51 million for ourselves and our clients. We have over 6 million success stories, 55 six-figure ones, and hundreds of businesses and impacts made. So let me just give you the cheat codes, and this is where the meat and potatoes starts. So why Instagram? Why should you care in the first place? Well, it's because it literally has everything all in one single place, just from your fingertips, right? It has all 6 infinity stones. So, and each one has a domino effect to the other one. So let me just break it down for you. Number one infinity stone is market research, okay? First one, you got to model success. If you were to put, to break it down as an example, if you were to put a coffee shop in the street, you wouldn't just throw it up there and hope it works, right? You wouldn't buy equipment, you wouldn't hire staff, you wouldn't do all that stuff with just hoping it works, right? The same thing happens on Instagram. You want to make sure you know exactly the market, you know exactly where people are, what content to post, all that good stuff. And I'll give you the framework to follow, right? So the first thing you do is search for keywords and influencers in your space. If you're entrepreneurship, you can just find that. And then there's a little arrow next to the follow button on Instagram that tells you a bunch of other influencers and pages. And then what you're going to do is create a spreadsheet. You're going to write every single one of them down. And what you're going to do is you're going to see what they post, when they post, what their bio looks like, what their CTAs on their post have, and what did they do on Instagram stories. Why? Because we want to simply model success. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. That's too hard. We just simply want to model success. All right. So what we do here is see, again, model success, research keywords. And then what we find is what we call BPPs, or best performing posts. These are the posts that perform above average. So for example, Cole, if you're in sales, right? I would strongly suggest, and you can do this on Facebook too, I strongly suggest you post that exact picture that I'm pointing there. Can you sell me this pen? Right? And literally that post has over 1,000 comments, 1,000 comments of people commenting their entire sales pitch, right? You can literally post that exact post. There's a little infographic, and I suggest you copy it, by the way. And what I did there is like, can you sell me this pen? The best pitch gets this reward or this thing. So this is what you do. You simply find BPPs or best performing posts, and either you copy it and tag the original creator, or you model them and recreate them yourself. You can either recreate them with your personal brand or with an infographic, just like I did here. Okay. So now the next part is the 3 Ps, and focus on it. What I mean by this is person, problem, promise. And this goes in your bio, meaning who do you help, what problem do you solve, and what problems do you give them, right? So for example, let me give you an example. Who do you help, what problem does your product or service solve, and what promise and result do you give them, right? Let's just say Lady Boss as an example, which is one of our clients, right? They're one of our $1 million success stories. So they help women lose weight while loving themselves again, right? That is their statement. Now, person, women, problem, weight, promise, loving themselves again, right? Very, very simple. Very easily understandable. I know this is like very simple marketing and stuff like that, but you'll be surprised how many people do this wrong. So this is one of the success stories and testimonials. I'm not going to go into that. That's the CEO of Lady Boss, Brandon Poulin, just expressing what we did for them. Here's another couple one right there. Over 836 leads generated for her webinar in 46 hours. This was actual Rachel Peterson. And when you do this right, by the way, you start attracting the actual person that wants to follow you for the right reasons, okay? Not just like the random bot and the follower that asks you for money, right? So second one, content. And I'm gonna give you the content creation cycle so that way you don't have to worry about creating content ever again. And this again applies for Facebook, but obviously Instagram is the main focus. So always create of what's in it for me, meaning what's in it for me on the person's head, right? So number one, you can create interest, right? Demonstrate authority in the subject of what you do. And this is very, very simple. Create content that gives results in advance, right? One thing people should do to either move closer to their goal, or one thing they should do to move forward, like to not do, to move away from the goal, right? Yes. If you can't come up with something, just simply Google 25 tips on X. If you're a fitness coach, 25 tips on how to get a six pack, 25 tips on how to not get a six pack, right? And then just post one tip a day in your own words, in your own way, and that's it, right? That way you don't have to create original content, you don't have to figure it out, and it just works, right? So number one, interest. Number two, proof, success stories and testimonials, right? If you don't have any, right, something you can say is simply say, hey, my buddy and mentor X got this results, right, using this thing, right? So you're leveraging other people's testimonials for your own benefit by just simply saying, hey, my buddy or my mentor or whoever is doing this thing, and I can do the same for you, right? Love it when our strategies help people crush it. And then your CTA, right? You can also post pictures of books. So I actually don't have a book next to me, but the whole saying of Ty Lopez of, hey, read a book a day. Do you actually think he reads a book a day? Probably not. But books make you look smart. So you can simply post a picture of a book. I suggest, you actually should read a book, but you can just put a picture of your book and it just creates more proof as well, right? And obviously show numbers, prove that you're an expert in your field, right? Show that you actually can help people in what you do. Now, the third one is demonstrations. Give samples of your work, right? When you go to Sam's Club or Publix or Walmart or whatever, there's always like little stands that give you like a little taste of yogurt or whatever it is that they're selling. Samples of your work, right? Before and after for your clients as well. This works extremely, extremely well. Number four, trust. Trust is not a logical thing, okay? Trust is just an emotional, right? So making things that are random, right? Like posting a picture of the sunset or you hanging out with your family, right? Your values, like these are things that are not, like build trust and are not logical, right? It doesn't always have to be about money, or whatever your business is, right? You can also be personal. And this works extremely, extremely, extremely well on Instagram stories, okay? Instagram stories, for those that don't know, are videos that are posted 15 seconds long and they're taken down in 24 hours. So they're very, very easy to create. Now, 752 likes in just one post in 2 hours. These are just some of the success stories. Another testimonial, this one is from Color Switch. There's an app on the phone, it's a game, and we blew their Instagram account up. And yeah, so anyways, I'll just keep going because Cole has a hard stop in literally like 43 minutes. So I want to make sure we go through all this stuff. So infinity stone number 3, consistency. Post every single day. Okay. And I know what you're saying, oh my God, that's a lot. But if you simply follow the content cycle that I gave you, it's going to ease everything for you. And it's very simple. The more you post, the more you grow. Okay. So let's just do some math, right? Let's say one post, you get to 5,000 impressions. You post 4 times a week. That's 20,000 impressions times 30 days. That's 60,000, right? Let's just say you start posting 4 times a day, right? That's 600,000 impressions and exponential growth of 1 million, right? And this is completely organically, by the way. Now, my suggestion, start with just one post a day at a minimum, and you should be good to go. Now, something that you can easily use the Facebook Creator Studio, okay? To ease the pain of posting on your phone and stuff like that. This is like the gauntlet of the 6 infinity stones. Like literally the Creator Studio on the computer allows you to post directly from the computer and schedule it out in advance. I don't know if you know this, but for example, I can schedule out content for a month from now directly from the Creator Studio, and it would just post automatically without me having to post it, which is something super, super powerful and just like eases the pain a lot. Okay, so you can schedule that out, like I said, way in advance, and it's just awesome. So here's another one example. When you actually are consistent, this is what happens. This is Alex Wilkie. He owns a beauty brand on Instagram, and he grew to over 1 million followers. He's one of our students, to over 1 million followers in about a year and a half, right? Insane growth, just because he was able to be consistent, posting every single time. Okay, that's Beautify Basics, so you can check it out. Now, number 4, right? Networking. This is kind of like the gasoline on the fire. The first 3 are the foundation that you're building. Now, how do you exponentially increase everything so you're able to grow even faster, right? This is what it is. Here, what we simply do is leverage other people's assets for your benefit, meaning others influencers. They worked hard for years and years, and you literally have instant access to all that traffic by simply paying money. Like, think about that for a minute. They spent like for example, Daily Art, right? Daily Art has over 9 million followers. It started in 2012, 2013, and it's taking since 7 years to get to the point it is right now. And you have access to all that traffic by paying like $200. So it's insane. And that's just one example, right? And obviously the influencers, that's their business model. They're just advertising networks, if you will. So, but you have access to all that traffic by simply paying a little bit of money, which is insane. So this is how Justin Holland, for example, went from 30,000 followers to 137,000 followers, which allows you to grow your own following, and also is making over $38,000 in every month. So this is one of my favorite success stories. I'll dive a little bit deeper here. Ruben, he's actually like 70 years old, so not even like Instagram savvy, if you will. He was a designer at Disney, got laid off, and then started selling rings on Instagram and using influencer marketing in the way that I just showed you to sell his rings, and is able to make $5,000 in 24 hours just from one single promotion. And he paid $30 for it, right? This is the thing. Influencer marketing is extremely underpriced and cheap, and you can capitalize on it like it's nobody's business. So this is Michael. He was able to get evicted. He was going to get evicted, and he was able to pay his rent just from this. I'm like, Kevin, I don't know if you know him, Kevin Davis as well.
Boom, and that was part number 1 of the 6 Instagram Infinity Stones, this little video series where we're showing you exactly how you can scale to multiple 6 figures a month, your agency, coaching, or course business just by utilizing Instagram. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and your red subscribe button down below, and you turn notification bells. That way you can know exactly when part number 2 drops, because this one is actually going to be a very, very good one. So if you enjoyed today's training and you want to find out a little bit more, exactly how we can help you one-on-one do the work for you, that way you can scale to multiple 6 figures a month just from Instagram, there's going to be a link down below in the description where you can watch a very short 20-minute case study where we break down entire what we call the profit diamond framework of how we have helped hundreds of clients scale to 5 and even 6 figures per month level just from their personal brand and Instagram. The link for that is going to be down below in the description. That way you can watch the case study video and even jump on a one-on-one call with either myself or one of the advisors on my team to diagnose exactly what you need inside of your business. So go click the link, and I'll see you there.